Welcome to your complete system design roadmap, taking you from zero knowledge to interview ready. Let's dive into the essential concepts you need to master. This roadmap is structured into 9 crucial sections, ensuring you cover everything from basic foundations to advanced design patterns and critical interview practice. First up are the foundations. Without these core concepts, system design will feel confusing and overwhelming. You must understand client-server architecture and protocols like HTTP and HTTPS. Also, know the difference between REST and GraphQL for data fetching. Master key terms like DNS, the difference between latency and throughput, and the concepts of vertical versus horizontal scaling. Your goal is to trace how a request travels from a mobile app to a server and back. Next, we move to back-end basics. You don't need to be an expert, but you must understand the core flow of a request. Compare monolith versus microservices architectures and understand the crucial distinction between stateless and stateful services. Cover authentication methods like JWT and the basics of OAuth. Also, learn about API rate limiting and the concept of load balancers like Nginx or AWSELB. Your goal here is to explain how millions of users safely interact with your backend. Databases are always a favorite topic for interviewers. You must be prepared to learn and compare different systems. Learn the trade-offs between SQL and NoSQL databases. Crucially, study indexing, read replicas for performance, and the basic idea of sharding for scaling. Understand ACID properties, and remember this golden tip. Always explain why you chose a specific database technology for a given problem. Caching makes you look like a senior developer by demonstrating performance-minded design. Learn what caching is, understand tools like Redis or Memcached, and know how content delivery networks or CDNs like Cloudflare work to improve load times. Focus on popular cache strategies like cache aside and write through. This will help you answer questions like, why does Instagram load its feed so fast? Messaging and async processing are key in large-scale, real-world systems. Study message queues, the differences between Kafka and RabbitMQ, and the concept of event-driven architecture for tasks like notifications and order processing. Scalability and reliability are at the core of system design. Must-know topics include auto-scaling, health checks, failover, circuit breakers, and the CAP theorem. Remember the golden rule: systems will fail, so design for failure. Moving on to security and system design patterns. These topics show the maturity of your design approach. Interviewers love security. Learn about HTTPS and TLS, secure password hashing using bcrypt, API security, basic DDoS protection, and role-based access control. Design patterns turn theoretical knowledge into tangible architecture. Review patterns like MVC, CQRS, event sourcing, and the Saga pattern to build complex, maintainable systems. The final step is practice. Real interview questions are where you consolidate your knowledge and win the job. Start practicing with common questions, like designing a URL shortener, WhatsApp, Instagram feed, or a payment system. Always follow this crucial answer format. Define requirements, draw a high-level diagram, establish the DB schema, discuss scaling, identify bottlenecks, and conclude with trade-offs. Good luck with your preparation.